Hi all, Wind here. So in today's episode, I want to show how we could bulk update on the platform without having to write a script. So essentially you could write a script and update records, but there's two ways to do it on the platform. One is through the list view and one is by using a UI action called update all or update selected. So I kind of just want to show how you could do this on the platform because it's a great way to do it very quickly without the use of the script. What I would say is sometimes you would need to use a script if there is a complex update that you're trying to do where you need to gather information from other tables and so forth. But if you are just looking to bulk update, this might be quicker than a script and easier to control as well. So let's go through it. So the list view is a very easy one. So I've got a list of 13 records here. So I've just looked at incidents that are in a new state on my PDI. So I'm going to change these and essentially assign these to a assignment group. So if I hold down shift and I click on the assignment group, hold down shift and just select the arrow button down, I can now update these following records. So if I just let's look for a group. So if I put in a double asterisk, it will show me some recent ones. So if I just select this, you can see now that essentially the assignment group has been updated for those 5 records. Now, what if I wanted to do additional fields or multiple fields in one go? So I could go and add the fields in and do it separately, or I could use the UI action update all or update selected. So I've selected all 13, and if I just select update to all as an example, update the entire list. Yep, that's great. Okay, and then from here, essentially, I can add in what I need. So let's say if I add now, let's change it to this group, and also I'm just going to change priority to 3. Now, a few things to mention here with this page. Anything that is left blank will remain as is on the record itself, meaning if one record has a different category to the second record, it will retain those values as long as you leave them alone. If you change them, it will override with the value that you put here. So it's one thing to keep in mind. And I can add comments if I want to as well. So now if I just update this, as you can see, it's added it to all of the values. And that is what update all would do. So you can essentially change the filter, and then if you just do the same thing, so update all, it will now say 5 records. Now update selected is where if you select these, it will just look to pick the selected ones, which would be the 2. So we can just look to change this. If I do this just to show this, as you can see, only the 2 of those 5 were changed. So essentially that's what I wanted to show, comparison of using the list view and using that shift button to update records, but also you can use update all and update selected, and it might be a better way of update records rather than using script. So I hope that helped and I hope you learned something. Please let me know if you have any questions. Happy to help. Thank you. Bye.